another episode of Student Meals. Today we're going to make a quail egg appetizer. I hope you enjoy this episode. The ingredients are 2 cherry tomatoes, 2 quail eggs, some boiled shrimp, cognac, ketchup and mayonnaise. As you can see, I don't have a lot of ingredients. That's because I'm going to make this recipe for 4 people. Of course, if you want to make it for more people, you can double all of the ingredients as much as you like. Let's get started. First of all, we're going to boil the eggs. I took some water and I let it boil. And now I'm going to place in the eggs for about 3 to 5 minutes until they are hard boiled. In the meanwhile, we're going to make the cocktail sauce. Take 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Add a teaspoon of ketchup. Oh my god. Oops. Alright, so kinda a teaspoon. Okay, I think that's about it. Classic ketchup. And also add 1 teaspoon of cognac. There we go. Now mix it all up. Have a little taste. Perfect. Now the final bit of prep work that you want to do is just cut your tomatoes in half. Like this. In the meanwhile, my eggs are done and I'm just going to scoop them out and immediately let them scare in some cold water. Next, peel the eggs. And what you want to do next is also cut them horizontally. There we go. And the other one as well. Alright, now all of our prep work is done and we can start with the assembly. So I took 4 little serving glasses or shot glasses. And first I'm going to place 1/2 of a quail egg in all of them. Now take your tomato and place it on top of the egg. A little tomato lid. Take the cocktail sauce and spoon 1 teaspoon in the glass. Just to cover it up. And finally finish off with some shrimp. There we go, and this little delicious appetizer is finished. Time for a test. What is so easy about this is that you can just eat it all in 1 teaspoon. Cheers! It's so delicious. The combination is so good. Quail egg, which has a very distinct flavor, which I can't describe. So you'll definitely just have to try it yourself. And because it's bite-sized with the cocktail sauce as well, it's just a very, very, very delicious combination. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Also, we want to say a huge thank you to all of you for your lovely comments on our previous video. Really appreciate to hear those voices that we don't always hear but are watching our videos. Thank you for that, thank you for your appreciation, and thank you for watching this episode. And as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye!